Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can format our pivot table. So for example, we have this pivot table here and I want to change the layout of the table. So the quick and simple way to do it is you click on your table and then you go to your design tab in here and then go to your report layout. You will get like 5 different options how you want to do it. Currently it's in the compact form right now. So let's see how outline form looks like. So in outline, your country and product or column E and F is separated, and you can see this is a much cleaner way. Now if I want to have a more better way to look at it is the tabular form. In tabular form it arranges it and it gives your total at the end. It's a kind of a subtotal for each category. Now we might not want the total for every category, so in order to remove the total, what we can do is we can go to subtotal and say do not show totals. So all the subtotals are gone, as you can see. Now there is a grand total in here and I want to remove the grand total as well. So I will go in the grand total section and I will say off for rows and columns. So it will take off my grand total and this is my raw data. Now I want to repeat all my countries. So for example, there's USA here, but it's missing here and here. So I want it to repeat. So I will go in my report layout and I will say repeat all items. As you can see in this section, you can see all your items are repeated, your data is filled, and it has been formatted. So the quick and easy way to go is just go to report layout and select the one which suits you the most, the way you want to see your pivot table, and just play with it. Thank you so much and please subscribe to the channel.